Welcome students to the new video of opposites, and opposites are also called antonyms in English. I have taken the first word rigid. It is from your WPS book. The word rigid, which part of speech it is? It is a quality, it shows a quality, so it is an adjective. And what is the opposite of rigid? It is flexible. That is also an adjective. If the word is adjective, the opposite also has to be an adjective. Rigid. What is the meaning? Anything which is difficult to bend, anything which is stiff, and or any person who does not want to change or does not want to be changed, or he is not able to change or to be changed, is called rigid. And just opposite, flexible, anything which is easy to bend, anything which is able to move easily without breaking, and anything or any person that can be changed easily. That is called flexible. We can use these two words in sentences as, his body went rigid in the severe cold. Mr. Desai is a rigid personality. That means he cannot change his manners, he cannot change his ways. He tried to give a triangular shape to the rigid wire, but in vain, because the wire was very rigid. So, a person tried to give it a shape, a triangular shape, but it was rigid, so it was of no way. The word flexible, see how it has been used in the sentences. He has a flexible routine at home. That means anything which is apt to change, which can be changed. So at home, he is at home and he has a flexible routine there. The athlete's body is very flexible. Indeed, any athlete's body is very flexible because it can be molded, it can be changed into any way, whatever way the athlete wants. Copper wire is flexible. Indeed, children, it is a malleable product. It's a thing, it's a wire, it's a metal which can be changed into any way. Some other words which can be used instead of flexible. That means the synonyms of flexible are malleable, pliable, supple, bendable, or pliant. P-L-I-A-N-T, pliant. The word rigid, it also has many synonyms as stiff, firm, hard, inflexible, unbending, or unyielding. Unyielding, something which cannot yield under pressure. The next word I am taking today is unite. Unite is a verb, and the opposite, of course, it also has to be a verb. The opposite of unite is divide. What is the meaning of unite? It means to join something together. And divide means to split or separate into two or more parts. Some sentences for unite. Families unite in festivals. Very obviously, when festivals near, when festivals approach, we can see get-togethers in the families. So families unite in festivals and at certain occasions. The doctor performed a major surgery to unite the broken bones. The leader united the people of the two villages. The word divide can be used in sentences as, we can divide 16 by 4. The Britishers followed the divide and rule policy. The mother divided the cake into 5 parts for all her children. Some synonyms for the word unite are combine, join, link, connect, associate, fuse, conjoin, conjugate, unify, and interfuse. Some synonyms for the word divide are split, cut up, break up, allocate, allot, apportion, segregate, separate, and demarcate. Thank you. Revise well.